How do I fix the issue of WhatsApp ticks not turning blue?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll discuss how to fix the issue of WhatsApp ticks not turning blue. This problem can be frustrating, as the blue ticks indicate that your message has been read by the recipient. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's get started.
Check your internet connection.
The first thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable and active internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent the blue ticks from appearing, even if the recipient has read your message. You can try turning your Wi-Fi off and on or switching to mobile data to see if that resolves the issue.
Update WhatsApp.
Another common reason for the blue ticks not turning blue is using an outdated version of WhatsApp. Ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Developers often release updates to address bugs and improve performance, so updating your app might fix the issue. To update WhatsApp on your device, follow these steps. 1. Open your device's App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. 2. Search for WhatsApp in the App Store search bar. 3. If an update is available, you'll see an Update button next to WhatsApp. Tap on it to start the update process. 4. Once the update is complete, open WhatsApp and check if the blue ticks are now functioning correctly.
Clear WhatsApp cache, Android only.
If you're using WhatsApp on an Android device, clearing the app cache can sometimes resolve issues like the blue ticks not turning blue. The cache stores temporary data that can occasionally cause conflicts or glitches. Follow these steps to clear the WhatsApp cache. 1. Go to your device's settings. 2. Tap on Apps or Applications. The exact wording may vary depending on your device. 3. Scroll down and select WhatsApp from the list of installed apps. 4. Tap on Storage. 5. Finally, tap on Clear Cache to remove the temporary files. After clearing the cache, restart WhatsApp and check if the issue has been resolved.
Contact WhatsApp support.
If the previous steps didn't fix the issue, it's time to reach out to WhatsApp support. They have a dedicated team that can help you troubleshoot problems with their app. Contacting WhatsApp support is especially useful if the issue persists across multiple devices or if it's a widespread problem. To contact WhatsApp support, follow these steps. 1. Open WhatsApp on your device. 2. Go to Settings, usually accessed by tapping on the 3 dots in the top right corner. 3. Tap on Help or Support. 4. Select Contact Us. 5. Describe the issue you're experiencing with the blue ticks not turning blue and provide any relevant details. 6. Finally, submit your message to WhatsApp support and wait for their response. That's it. We've covered several steps to help you fix the issue of WhatsApp ticks not turning blue. Remember to check your internet connection, update WhatsApp to the latest version, and clear the app cache if you're using an Android device. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact WhatsApp support for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Have a great day!